Hi, I'm Tiffany of TipStitched, and this video is brought to you by the very nice people over at Shannon Fabrics, specifically Ellen, who sent me this beautiful arrangement of fabrics as things that I'm going to use to create a baby shower gift for a dear friend of mine who's welcoming her first baby boy. I have a couple of different cuddles as well as an embrace and a kit for a baby blanket. I have not sewn anything with using these fabrics before, so I'm very excited to jump in and give you my review. Today is just going to be an overview of everything I received and what I plan to make with it, and then I will definitely come back with a follow-up video telling you my thoughts on each one of the fabrics and each project. So let's look at the fabrics. Alright, so let's jump right in with the Cuddle Kit. This Cuddle Kit is adorable. Everything that I am going to show you in this video I am using, or probably by the time I share this video have used, to make baby gifts for my dear girlfriend who's having a baby boy. And she is having an elephant theme. So this Cuddle Kit is the one that I picked. They actually had a few with elephant options, so it was actually hard to narrow it down. But I feel like this sweet, sweet print here is adorable. So you have a little elephant with his binky, you have an elephant riding the moon, you have one that's like hanging by a star. This one over here is catching stars in a net. Yeah, they're just this one's sitting on the cloud, dreaming into the stars. I just thought this was so sweet. And I think my girlfriend will love it. So I'll grab this. It also comes with this star embossed cuddle. So this is a print cuddle. It also comes with this star embossed cuddle. And then there's a blue star embossed cuddle as well as this silver hide cuddle. There's also batting and everything that you need in here to make it, which is why they call it a Cuddle Kit, because everything comes in this box to allow you to make one of these two little baby blankets. And like I said, this is the Lucky Star Blue. So it comes in, everything comes in the kit. You can see here, the complete Cuddle Kit includes fabrics for the top, applique, backing, and binding, as well as the pattern. And it has an alternate strip version layout. So this smaller one is the strip version layout, and then this is the applique layout. I'm pretty sure I'm going to go with this one because I just like how the applique highlights one of the cute little baby elephants, and it will result in a blanket that's 28 by 37, which I guess is a great baby size. I don't know. They give you all kinds of tips and tricks, recommended notions, and a quick summary. But right here it says, what is Cuddle? Cuddle is a brand belonging to Shannon Fabrics. Thank you so much for sending me this, Shannon Fabrics. It's the world's most superior minky fabric, and it is 100% polyester microfiber plush. So I can tell you guys, this feels super soft. I'm not a baby, of course, but if I was a baby, this would be excellent. Like, it feels amazing. So I am happy and excited to get started on this project, as I've never sewn a quilt. They also include instructions in this kit that I've already taken out because I wanted to read over it. But they also include this cute little cheat sheet that gives you tips for working with Cuddle, as well as the stitch and flip method for the alternate strip layout. So it gives you all the information you need to sew up this quilt right here. Next up, I also received this embrace, and I believe this is called the Love Aruba. It is sticking with the elephant print, right? So you have cute little elephant saying I love you, a baby elephant on the elephant holding the other baby elephant, like just all the cute little patterns here with cute little blue dots, which I thought worked well with the blue from the Cuddle Kit. And this embrace fabric is really a double gauze, which is a fabric that I've never worked with. You can see it's sort of thin. It has that gauzy, lightweight feel. And Ellen over at Shannon Fabrics told me that this is perfect for a baby swaddle. So I'm going to be using the majority of the yardage that they sent me here for a swaddle for the baby boy. And I will let you know how that goes. I've never sewn with double gauze, but this is so cute. And I'm just excited to make the swaddle. I think they sent me a little bit of extra yardage. Like, I don't think that you need this much for a swaddle. So I will probably be making some burp cloths or some bibs or I saw a pattern for a crib, sort of a fitted sheet. So maybe something like that I can make out of the gauze. I don't know. But I will definitely be making as many projects as I can out of this fabric. And then they sent me 3 different types of, or different cuddles. The first 2 are the same type. This one is snow in their regular cuddle. And this one is silver. So those are both gorgeous. They're super soft. They feel just like the printed one with the elephants that comes in the kit, because it's the same type of cuddle. But this one is a hide cuddle. It is a charcoal, so it's a little bit darker than the silver. But it's the same one that also comes in the kit for the strips. And you can see how this has a little bit more texture, more like an animal hide, like it's a more just sort of, let me pull it all the way out. It's more of an abstract sort of finish here. It really looks sort of more like an animal hide. So the reason why I was sent these 3 is I plan on making a elephant stuffy or plushie, or I don't know, whatever you call stuffed animal DIY kind of projects. And I was a little concerned about the hide, even though this is what she recommended, because I thought it was going to have a higher like weft, and that it was going to be more difficult to sew. It would be more like fur, and it is definitely higher in peel than this one, than the regular cuddle, but it's not up to like fur level, so I feel better about that. So I think I am actually going to try to do it with this one. But these would be for the elephant body, and then the white would be either for the tusk or the inside of the elephant ears or eyes or whatever else I need to have a contrast in color. So I cannot wait to pick a pattern to do a stuffy. I've done a couple before, but they've all been out of quilting cotton in the past for other girlfriends who have had babies. So I can't wait to see it out of the more fur-like fabric, so it will feel even more like a plushy stuffy. So this is everything that I have, and I will come back and bring you a video once everything is complete. You guys, of course, will not see it until my girlfriend receives this gift, because I don't want to spoil it. But I'm super excited about making this stuffy and the swaddle blanket, as well as the kit for the baby blanket. So stay tuned, and you'll see the final product of this in a couple months. Bye-bye.